hood rat shit with payment plan again?
Yeah. Play with those dead grinder.
What kind of car?
I have no idea what kind of car it is.
We're out here trying to figure out who he's supposed to race. I guess he's supposed to race somebody tonight. And I had nothing better to do, so we came out. Are getting some testing in, getting some racing in. Just a regular night. Nothing really special going on, but there's a lot of people out. A lot of new people out. That center line. Oh, howdy. What up? I know, right? That's what I thought. Still going. Bold move with the car coming down this way.
took off and it was like a fucking 150 degrees.
Cold?
Yeah. I brought it back and fucking I hit it and it felt
Yeah,
better.
I heard. Yeah, on the way back, I was like, oh, that was clean. Yeah. Nice and smooth. How would you say that went?
Oh, that was great.
Is he putting it back in and taking it back out?
Where's your truck at, Chris? Oh,
Huh?
jack stands. Nothing.
Damn right, you got some jack stands. We'll race all day long.
Converter.
What do you mean it was too much?
Hey, so who calling out now?
What was too much?
Hey, all I do is put my motor in and out, training in and
I
out.
left harder than I left before and it took it. So
Yeah,
it
yeah.
works.
Oh, you're good.
Well, that's about 6 pounds less than what it was.
Where's your
Friday night.
buddies, Chris?
I don't have buddies. I'm my own show.
Where's your buddies?
Man, you see that?
Dracula and
All these people
that's it.
here.
Fuck everybody.
All these people here. He's like, man, fuck those guys.
Over here. Only person I got talking shit for me is Mike.
You shouldn't have made that pass. You done scared Jonathan now.
I ain't scared. I am not scared. I will
He
fuck that
said,
bitch.
God damn,
Man, as soon as my shit comes out, I'm going across that head.
That's a bad motherfucker right there.
Hey, that was a badass pass. I ain't gonna sit here and act like it wasn't. But I'm gonna gap the fuck out of your shit.
He's like, but I could do better.
I'm gonna gap your shit.
That pass right there was bad. We never ran at the gut. We on camera right now. I can't tell you what time it was.
I'll just edit it out. All you gotta do is tell me what you want to know.
What?
I've been way faster than that.
Not on no street.
Why is that on the street?
What did you say?
Huh? Oh, I just said faster.
Oh yeah, fuck. I've been faster. Yeah. I've been damn near a whole second faster.
Damn, man.
Not yet, but whenever the fucking track's finally open,
Hey, man.
stupid ass shit, I will be almost a second faster.
Man, I'm ready. New setup coming. I'm ready.
Black car going
Hey,
across
did that?
both y'all.
Man, that black car ain't doing shit.
So it's
You're gonna be sitting over there with fucking Chris Jackson racing.
But I guarantee you, if they showed up with that truck again, that pass right
You just get that green motherfucker ready so I can bust it
And now,
too.
if I had to, I'd
That green car ain't ready for you.
It'll never be ready.
Oh, that was
That's a street car.
That bitch will never. Man, I could have drove my shit all the way here doing 70.
Why are you picking on the car with overdrive?
shit. I was so
Get the fuck out.
Fuel injected
My
overdrive.
shit's fucking fuel injected too. What does that
Yeah, and
matter?
you're going big T6 turbo. Come on.
Oh, now we're talking shit because my shit's. Man, my shit'll bust your ass with a T4.
Oh, man, it sounds good. And I hope it would.
It will.
It won't
Every day of the
do that
fucking
to
week
the black
it will.
car.
Huh? It already did it to the black car. What the fuck you talking about?
Hey,
It's a clean across that motherfucker at the gut.
I'm at 93%.
Hey, that's something funny. Hey, the day that he beat Pablo's car, we were in it.
Dude, I had it on gate. 6 pounds and gap your fucking. I gapped your daddy on 6 pounds.
Hey, shit, I don't get. We ran a
Your daddy on 6 pounds.
and we went. Beat your chest about that.
Dude,
That's cool. Hey,
Dude, I beat your daddy on 6 pounds.
yeah, and that
pass beat your golden boy.
And that XRP, I would have cut that bitch off at the
Man, you wouldn't have done a goddamn
Would have
thing.
cut that bitch off at the 330.
Hey, that's right. A win is a motherfucking win.
Yeah, and he ain't
That's
never
right.
gonna get back up there with that motherfucker.
That bitch ain't never gonna get up there again.
Because they come out.
By the time your shit comes back out,
Hey, by the time my shit's ready, trust me, I'll bust that bitch again. And I'll do it at XRP too.
You're driving, Jacob?
you do, huh?
You're driving?
I can.
I didn't see that. You're driving?
Mike can drive that hood.
Take like a tenth or two off on
This
that
could easily
retard.
work.
It should work. Think it'll take it?
I didn't call in.
Where?
That's
Have my power coming faster?
why I'm asking. What's it called?
Or half a
need it?
second? Not really. I just want to be on the safe side.
I'd
But I
rather.
do have the scramble. I don't know if
Do
it
you
works,
have
but
No,
fuel
I'm just
for the
asking
scramble?
a question.
fuck, I'm sending a rod to the bitch. I don't care.
Well,
$400
that's-
motor.
Who's driving? Is this a
That's not the answer I was looking for.
Her tuner
Drive each other's shit.
is 50-50. My fuel pump's not falling off. We run the injectors a little over
What's the duty cycle on the injector?
93.7.
You don't have enough for the scramble. So
Watch.
I mean, yeah, I guess you could probably go to like 110, 115. It'll probably still chase it down.
Yeah, at worst. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna stay on it.
Well, what's on the scramble though? You know, better only have like 2 on it.
No.
Ask Robert what he put on it.
Oh no, I just changed it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'd put 2 on it, and that's about all I'd put.
I would leave everything the same that pass.
Yeah.
Well, all right. So I asked him earlier if I had enough to hit the scramble at my max that I've always wanted to run, 30 pounds. And he said there's enough timing in it that it'll take it without blowing up.
Timing, yeah, but not fuel apparently. He probably hasn't seen that duty cycle before.
No, he has this too.
It was at 99?
right rear tire band.
No, 93.
Oh, 93. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, still, man, to get to 100, I'd only put about 2 in it. Change the scramble to 2 so that you're confident that you can, press it without doing anything bad.
In my opinion,
And then I'd leave it how it is because if you end up, you know what lane you're in? If you end up in the left, that will still work there. But I don't know if it'll take it in the right. Like, I don't know.
So I should be on the safe side, put it to where it'll be.
Yeah, that way you don't have to change anything at the last minute. Because that'll work in both right now.
This guy even showing up?
Yeah, he just.
Yeah, he just pulled it. I'd say,
Why is your screen yellow?
I'd say don't get greedy. You got nighttime mode.
Oh, okay. Oh God! Look at them flames. Bro, it's never carried a flame like that.
That's all he's happy about. He didn't care about how good the launch was. He's just like, oh, look at that fire.
Flames! 2-foot flames!
oh, no, you should
No, right?
Bro, it ain't done that in a long ass time.
I know.
That was a good A to B pass, man. I don't see a 632 hooking up.
And A to B is what's going to win. Promise you.
Alright, so I'm putting it.
Ooh, that's nice. That's a high quality picture of that wheelie. See, there you go. All right, so this is the car doing it. So this is the car that's he's doing a test hit right now, but it's going to be racing the Trans Am later. Until you see a couple cars go in there like, man, I could have fucking beat him.
That should have been out.
Should have brought my goddamn car. Oh, it is fucking cold.
I like this.
The road's got a lot of rubber on it, man. It'll probably do fine.
boost on it. Drove
Well,
quicker.
yeah, I was gonna say until there. Struggling. Alright guys, looks like the police showed up, so not too sure if they're gonna be checking IDs or giving tickets or anything like that. So we'll see what they end up doing, but looks like they got a couple of cars up there. They just kind of blocked all those guys in, and I don't know. We'll see what ends up happening.